Today we're going to learn how to divide rational expressions. And what I mean by division is we have a fraction with a numerator and denominator divided by yet another fraction with a numerator and denominator. But you'll notice exactly what happens here, that this right here has changed over to this. Let's see exactly what happened here. And according to step 1, we reciprocate the second fraction and multiply. And when I say multiply, we say see above to figure out how to do multiplication. So, all we do is, since I am dividing by x minus 1 over x plus 3, division is nothing more than multiplication by the reciprocal. So what that means for us, well, there's a little rhyme that goes with it. Dividing by fractions is easy as pie. You flip the second and multiply. As you can see, when we go from this step to this step, this fraction has become reciprocated. It was x minus 1 over x plus 3. Now it's x plus 3 over x minus 1. And instead of doing division, we say multiply. So, once we actually do the reciprocation, we'll treat it like a multiplication problem. Let's look at our example here. So, all we're going to do is we're going to reciprocate this second fraction right here because that's what we are dividing by. So, I'm going to keep this first one the exact same. 3 times x minus 2 times the quantity of x plus 1 over x times the quantity of x plus 2 times x plus 2. I don't really need the parentheses, but I'll just put them anyway. Divided by x times x minus 2. All we've done is we've reciprocated the fraction. Now we're going to multiply straight across. And what that means is that we're going to put all these together. So, I'm just going to write out everything that we see. We have 3 times x minus 2 times x plus 1 times x plus 2. All divided by. I could put these together as x squared, but I'm not going to right now because of the fact that we want to try to keep it as simple as possible, just for the moment. So, x times, since it's by itself, I write another one, x, and then I'm going to just write them pretty much in whatever order that I want to. So x plus 2 times x minus 2. According to our multiplication problems, now that we've multiplied this, it's time to get rid of anything that is in both the numerator and denominator. So, do we have a 3 in the numerator and denominator? No, we do not. Do we have x minus 2 in the numerator and denominator? Yes, we do. So we'll cross that off. Do I have x plus 1 in the numerator and denominator? I do not. Do I have x plus 2 in the numerator and denominator? Yes, I do. So those will get crossed off. So now, let's just write out everything as we see it. It's going to be 3 times the quantity of x plus 1 over. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and put them together. X squared. Remember, because x times x is x squared. And that is our answer. If you care to, you can distribute this back in to make it look as simplified as possible. But that is an optional step. So either one of these will work. I'm going to go ahead and put my box around both of them. And that is how you divide rational expressions.